friends, I'm back. This episode is from a beautiful farm. We are going to enjoy here with our family and friends. This beautiful house is middle of a farm. Around this house there are plants, flowers, animals and birds. We enjoy the beauty of this place. Along with that, we started preparation for a barbecue night. Here we have a kitchen outside the farmhouse. Here we can cook by enjoying the beauty of nature. I play with my friends. I really enjoy the moments. They are getting ready for the cooking. Now let's see what is inside the farmhouse. It is a beautiful house, fully decorated by wallpapers. People use this farmhouse to spend their leisure time. It is really a relaxing place. There is a big hall so many people can sit here. This house also have a kitchen and one bedroom and bathroom. I love this cute home. Friends, can you see orange trees here? There are oranges here and there. Now we are going to see a big moringa tree. Do you know, friends, moringa leaves are very healthy. My mother told me there is a lot of moringa trees in Kerala. It's a food that we can eat. I don't know what is the name. I found a flower that looked like a firework. This is hibiscus plant. It is so hard to pronounce this word. My mother told me in Malayalam it's called chambati. Here the uncle started the work. They are preparing kebabs and prawns. There are lots of corns, freshly picked from the farm. The fireplace is also getting set. They are preparing boiled corns. Now the yummy grilled chicken is ready. Angry friends, I do not like this fish. I'm scared by seeing it. Its mouth is open. This is the fish grilled in banana leaves. Now we are enjoying the meal. The leftover corns are now grilling. I love boiled corns more. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.